Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile picture on WhatsApp. This is easy and quick to do, so let's begin right away. Open up WhatsApp and then tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. Then tap on Settings. From here, tap on your name at the top of the page. Beside your existing profile image, tap on the camera icon button and then choose Upload the photo from your gallery or Take a new photo. Once you've selected the photo, you can then crop it to your liking. Tap the Done button when you're done. Your profile image will now be updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.